another technique in dividing fractions. So example, let's divide 6 over 10 divided by 4 over 5. So may technique kita. Anong inyong tandaan lang, class? K, C, F. Ang first letter is keep. Keep. What's yung keep? Ano man sa Japon? 6 over 10. Rewrite. 6 over 10. And then C, change. Ano yung change ka? Okay. Ang imo operation nga divide, change to multiplication. Times. And then flip. When you say flip, reset vocal. Change. Interchange. So ang 4 over 5, 5 over 4. And then multiply. Okay? So, 6 times 5? 6 times 5? 30. 10 times 4? 40. So, this is proper fraction. Just look for the GCF. What is the GCF? 10. Okay, dari ka sa 30 over